At Sufii Day Spa, we offer a variety of luxurious services with affordable prices. The spa experience begins with a friendly welcome by the receptionist, as well as your choice of a warm cup of tea or wine. A consultation is always conducted with the guest and the therapist before and after each treatment, to better understand the guest's needs and to offer any suggestions for the next visit. Sufii Day Spa services consist of massage therapy and specialty massages, as well as body treatments, skin care, advanced skin treatments, and nail services. Our massage therapy sessions are focused on relaxation, reducing pain, and helping muscles to recover. For our facial and advanced skin treatments, we use our own line of Sufii botanical products, which are also available for purchase.
Once they are here, our members can take advantage of their monthly service. They can choose from either a massage, facial, body treatment, or manicure and pedicure, as well as a 40% savings on any additional services.
Sufii Day Spa is pure bliss. I always look forward to coming here. The moment you walk through the doorway, the exotic ambiance is breathtaking. I get to travel and visit other spas, but my favorite is always Sufii. The service is exquisite. The spas, I love coming here.